Hey guys, I'm Max from Let's Go Surfing, and today we're going to be talking about how to paddle on a board properly. So paddling is probably the most important part when learning to surf. If you're able to paddle really quickly, that means you're able to get onto the wave a lot easier and also a lot earlier. It gives you more time to stand up. 90% of your surf is going to actually be spent paddling, so learning how to paddle with the most ease and right technique is going to help you to get onto the waves a lot easier. Okay, so first things first, guys, you always want to make sure you don't have your chest too far forward on the board, otherwise you'll nosedive. If you're too far back, the tail of the board is going to sink, and that's going to kind of act as a bit of an anchor. So always have your toes kind of right back on the edge of the board here, depending on the board size that is. If the board's really long, make sure to always have it on the tail. The board's a little bit shorter, then maybe your toes will hang slightly off the edge, but it's really important that you keep your weight of your chest right in the middle of the board, okay? Lie down, okay, like that, and we're kind of going to practice a little bit of like a skydive pose. So if you lift all your arms, all your limbs off the ground, and now if we bring our legs together, okay, drop your legs, keep everything else up. It's really important, keep your back nice and arched, and that way you'll keep your weight right in the middle. And that way you can actually kind of move slightly further forward on the board without placing too much weight up here. Common mistake, guys, when people are learning to paddle, lots of people are pulling the water not very far, okay? Much better off to follow all the way through, okay? If you want to learn any more about paddling and how to surf, come get a lesson at Let's Go Surfing, and I'm sure you'll have a beautiful time. Today's conditions, as you can see, are pretty perfect down here, so come get a lesson, get in the warm water and enjoy it.